better than a homie. Look at them, look at you.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go about a fashion doll. Okay, so what's up? Welcome back. Today's video is a makeup and sip get ready with me video. We're about to do my makeup, y'all. I have a little date tonight, so we about to do a quick little beat. I was thinking about trying to do a 15-minute makeup challenge, y'all. Do y'all think I can do it? I don't know. We're gonna set the timer, so this is gonna be like a 15-minute makeup challenge. We're gonna sip, we're gonna chit chat a little, and then I'll probably play some music for y'all in between because your girl gotta be out of here by 8 or 8:30. So fingers crossed. I'm slow when it comes to my makeup, so this is definitely a challenge, y'all. Your girl is getting ready for another date. First date at that. Y'all know I've been on this little dating journey. It has not been the best. I have been meeting sassy men. Men don't have their shit together. Dudes that want to spin the block. Baby, no, you cannot spin the block. You know, all that, y'all. Dating has been hell. And this story isn't different from the rest. You find somebody, you talk to them so often, they want to see you. I don't be quick. I don't like jump into a date. I be like, nowadays, I be prolonging stuff. You could talk to me a whole month before I be like, yeah, I'll go out with you. So me and this dude been talking maybe a couple of weeks though. And I did give in. He wanted to go out, but I was like, no, you know, I'll let you know when I'm free. But I was just like, forget it. I might as well go out, get the little meal. But like I said, they all started off cool. So far he seemed cool, but we'll see how this date go, y'all, and we'll see if we make it to the second date. I don't know, but we talk almost every, well, we've been talking almost every day since we exchanged numbers. So yeah. Set timer for 15 minutes. All right, y'all. Y'all see the timer? Let's go. So this date, I don't know where we're going. He told me it will be a surprise, y'all. So I have no clue where I'm going. I know we're going out to dinner for sure, but I don't know like where. But he told me like to like dress casual, but not like too dressy. So he had texted me like, yeah, I made reservations. So he was like, everything is good. I was like, okay, cool. And that little hair is just bothering me, sticking up. Y'all, I'm so tired because I've been up all day and I actually have an early flight to catch in the mornings. I'm gonna play some music for y'all because I want to glide through these eyebrows and then I'll come back and talk.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Every second.
I swear the brows be looking crazy until you clean them up. But y'all, I got back on Instagram today and it's just like, I'm still not feeling Instagram. I'm about to delete my page for good. I just can't stand y'all motherfuckers that just watch, don't interact, don't like, don't comment. Like, y'all are fucking weird. I said it. That's just some weird shit to me. But no, real talk, I am like over social media. It is becoming draining. Okay, so routine still the same. Did my eyebrows with this Morphe brow pencil. I never have a moment, y'all. I can never have a moment. Because it's gonna always be a baby in your business.
Hey, I was hiding behind mommy. I thought you guys wouldn't see me. I don't know if he. What do you mean? I just got here.
This is gonna be all over the place, y'all. I'm telling you. All over the place. But it's cool.
Pumpkin.
Man, y'all, it's so cold. It was snowing yesterday. I can't even dress how I want to dress. I can't wear no cute spring outfit for real because... Let me zoom out. Because it was snowing earlier. I forgot what I was saying, y'all. Mom life. But... Damn, I really forgot what I was saying. I don't know. Hey Alexa, play Drake and Party Next Door.
Shuffling Drake and similar artists on Amazon Music.
Alexa, skip.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Lisa? Is it Ashley? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? Where I feel right now, I feel like I need to be all alone. So you just play around here till your girl can find a song.
That's real.
Stop teasing me. So easily, I keep saying you but you leave me. Leaving me. You got things that you leaving me. I don't say something, believe me. You got members, you leave me. You got members, but some cold. You are not gonna do it. Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Is it Danny? Is it Party? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. Let me see the world. Home girl. Is that your bestie? I'm a nasty and push me. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. Let me see the world. Is that your bestie? It's just me and you, my love. I don't even call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if you do my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist, you my love. Hey, you got some face in the trunk, my love. Damn, how many hoes in this love? Is it really just me, my love? You know my damn people for real. You ever been down to Memphis to see my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things I see, my love. I got drinks, dope, sex, and cash. Those four things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance. Let me see the world. Is that your bestie? Hey Alexa, pause. I told you I wanted to do like a little to no makeup look. So I'm using the NARS Reflecting Glow. I think that's what this is. Which I need some more of this. Yeah, the Light Reflecting Foundation by NARS. So I'm not going to go too heavy on this. I do want like some of my, you know, imperfections to show through. I'm going to conceal, put some concealer on. Boom, 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 boom. Good, loving, feel so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come. I said you are about to climb. Act up, oh girl, don't be shy. Is you ready? Is you ready, baby? You seem ready. You seem ready, baby. Girl, tonight I won't be so.
Quick and simple, quick and simple. This is my favorite contour palette, y'all. I've been using this for years. So we're gonna contour. We coming together. I got 2 minutes before this whole situation ends. But I'm almost done, y'all. Almost. Alrighty. Trying to make sure I put everything back in my makeup bag because told y'all I got a flight to catch in the morning, so I want to make sure I got all my makeup with me. And I'm not trying to be out too late because your girl is old, okay? I need all the rest I can get. I'm just putting some powder on me, okay? I'm actually putting some powder all over me. This is the Laura Mercier powder because your girl get oily sometimes and we don't want that. But this powder is pretty good. That's it, y'all. We're going to highlight and we're going to call it a night. And then I'm going to try to show y'all my outfit. I love to like bring a little brightness to the nose, you know. Put a little right here, you know. I don't wear, y'all, I do not like blush for real. So I don't wear blush. I have worn it, but I'm not a blush girl. Give me a good highlighter. And we good to go. I feel like I'm missing something, but I guess this is it. I'm debating if I want to put a black eyeliner on. Maybe I can do a little liner. Clean my table off. And get the hell out of here. Put my palette in here. Y'all, I hope I put everything back in my makeup bag because that's going to be messed up. Alright, we're going in with my favorite lip liner. This is the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. Just my all-time favorite. When I was a MAC girl, this was like my go-to. I think this was the only liner I ever bought from MAC. Going in with my, what is this? One Size Until Dawn setting spray. I love this setting spray. I should have got this in a travel size, but it's so lightweight when you spray it. And then I guess I'm gonna go in with my is this Milk and Honey? Salted Caramel lip gloss by Nick. Alrighty. Quick beat. This is what I came up with. Something quick, simple, a little glow, neutral. And now I am about to, I'm about to go get dressed and I'll come back and I'll show y'all my outfit. Okay, so this is the outfit, y'all. So we got this bodysuit on, these pants, they're really long, but so it is cold, so I am going to put a cardigan on. to make it look casual, cute. I'm gonna wear my little mini Gucci bag. I still haven't decided on what kind of coat yet. And then y'all, I'm just gonna throw on these Vans. I found these Vans in my closet. I probably wore these once. I literally just got rid of all my Vans except for 2 pairs. So I was like, can't go wrong with neutral tone. So I kept those. So I'm gonna wear those. These pants so long. Let me put these on. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the look, y'all. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
First day in summer, my baby gave me a number. See, that was the day. Hey, she hopped in my ride. I see you in the crowd from the stars. Always so proud when I see you. Time flying. I won this award here in Detroit called the Hicksville Amplified Artist of the Year. Right? And then not even a month later, basically 30 days later, me and these guys right here won $25,000 for another cover song contest one more time. We spent the money in the studio. We ain't tricked off,